Today activity
and printing activity on national symbol.
are you ready? Hand, hand print national symbols. Remove hands.
How many colors are there in our national flag?
There are 3 colors in our national flag.
What are they?
Saffron, white and green.
What is our national bird?
Peacock.
What is our national flower?
Lotus.
What is our national fruit?
Mango.
What is our national animal?
Tiger.
What is our national tree?
Banyan.